welcome back. This is Denise, and today I feel in the mood to experiment in a different way, and I thought what I would do was pick a stencil. I've taped down half a piece of the Bao paper. I've just cut this in half and taped down half of it, the Academy watercolor cotton pad of paper. And I just picked a random stencil that was bigger than my page, and I thought, what if we just wet this down with water and then take something like an acrylic ink, or I'm thinking an India ink, because it's been a while since I've done anything like monochromatic. Maybe Black Magic India ink might be fun. Any watercolor powder, any watercolor, liquid inks, acrylic inks, anything like that that's real liquidy. Any watercolor, you could do this with watercolor too if you had enough that you could wet it down real good. But I'm going to try with the ink, and we're going to wet this down. And what I'm trying to do, I'm not going to, I think I'll leave the stencil down for a second and just see, like, if I drop the ink in different spots, what will it do? And it's really kind of fun just to watch that ink run. Look at that. And the mowers are here, so I'm sorry if you hear them out there mowing and blowing. Seems no matter when I want to film, that's the day they show up. And let me tell you, I'm glad I don't have to mow my own grass, but at the same time, when you film videos, it does drive me a tiny bit bonkers. And I hear them getting closer. I think they're out there blowing leaves. That's why. If you can hear them, that's why. So this I'm kind of just tapping a little bit without squeezing the top of this, because it gets ink up in here. And on some of them I am squeezing, and that's how we're getting the much darker areas that are spreading out here with the water. And the water's getting good and soaked in now. So you got to kind of definitely work this kind of fast. And then I'm almost wondering, like, maybe I don't know if I dry it before I pick the stencil up, or maybe I should pick the stencil up and then dry it. I don't know. What do you think? But look how cool that looks so far. It just might be just a sheet of texture today. We'll see. I feel like I should pick up the stencil. Maybe I should dry it a tiny bit. It's kind of done what it's going to do. It's moved around. Okay, I had such a good idea while I was just doing that, so I'm kind of glad I did not move the stencil. And we're just going to wet it. India ink is, once it's dry, it's permanent. We'll just make sure it's dry. And I thought, what if we wet it down again? And we may get more ink moving around, but what if we do that again and come in with the gold mica ink? What if we did this? And just see, like, what could we do with the gold? And see if that'll, you know, squirch around with the water a little bit. So this is my Kuretake gold mica ink, just in a fine line bottle. And I just put this in this bottle with a pipette. Make it all easy. And you can get real specific about the way you do your different colors. I'm just playing. Not wanting anything specific other than, let's see what this will do. And then we could wet it down and make it organically do more. Okay, yeah, I'm praying this turns out super cool, because it felt cool in my mind when I thought of it. and just watching these colors move and blend. That's kind of fun. And I've got a little bit of paper warpage, so it's not going to stick down 100%, but that's okay. It's more about the play here, not about anything specific. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And we could mark make on, once we move it, we could go back and do some other mark making. It's just whatever inspires you, just go for it. Okay, did I get a little gold everywhere? I feel like I did. All right, let's try that. Some and see what we got. Okay, it's not completely dry, but I'm gonna see if it's... Whoa! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh, how fun is that? Oh my gosh, that is pretty cool, actually. The way it randomly smudged together, but it kind of gave you the feel of... That's pretty cool. I'm gonna come in with some graphite, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dry this. Okay, we're mostly dry. I'm thinking that I want to do some graphite lines because I like them. And I like the boldness it gives us, and it's kind of fun in these areas where we had no water or color get. It's a nice way to kind of fill those in and make them really work well with our piece. Because I had a big spot right here where it didn't fill underneath the stencil. And I kind of wanted the whole thing not to be under the stencil, but now look how cool that is that it kind of did dip, but kind of kept our shape. I mean, that's pretty darn cool. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Already turned into a good paint day, and I almost didn't come up here and paint. You know, some days I'm like, oh, do I want to go get everything out? And then I'm like, yeah, let's go do it. And then look what we created when we're like, just show up, just show up. Just show up and see, like, what could you create if you just showed up? And this, we wouldn't have created this on any other day. You know, if I come in tomorrow, whatever is inspiring me tomorrow is going to be completely different than wherever I might have been inspired to go today. So today, I'm glad I showed up. That should be like on a t-shirt. I showed up. And we can wear that to our art room. Or maybe on an art room apron. I showed up, and that can be on your apron. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. This was a fun idea. Very, very minimal. Pick 2 items. Look how cool this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now we could leave it just like it is. It's pretty cool just like that. Or we could add more marks and do some other stuff. But I am kind of feeling like this is where I wanted to go today. So I'm going to peel the tape and just see what our piece looks like with a little border around it, because it kind of finishes it for me. Oh my gosh. And I love abstracts like this. I love abstracts anyway, if you couldn't tell. But oh my goodness, look how good this looks. Oh, and it was the simplest thing we could have done. You could take any stencil and do that, and pick like a black India ink and just like a gold, and fill in your stuff. Look how amazing. And that was a fun little, say, 10 or 15 minute project that you could easily do, but look how striking that is. Hope you enjoyed hanging out and painting with me today, and I'll see you guys next time.